Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. If you are new to my channel, great to have you. Please like, subscribe, and comment. So today I will be painting a Dutch pour on an 11 by 14 oval shaped canvas. My background will be black, and these colors that I'm using are leftover colors. So I have everything in there from neon pink to a deep yellow. There's a little bit of orange, gold, and I think I even have some silver in there. So it's a little bit of everything in this piece. And at the end of the piece, I felt like it was missing something, didn't know what it was missing. So after it dried, I did a little bit of stippling or embellishments on the piece. So you'll see the wet results at the end, as well as you'll see the final piece. And that final piece is actually resined and will be going out on my Etsy site. So if you like it, check it out. Let's get to the video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do.